Let's move on to the exercises related to reading comprehension. So first question related to reading comprehension is, how is wind described in the first stanza? Answer: wind is described as a ruthless, cruel monster in the first stanza. Like a monster, wind is roaring, howling, and is destroying everything coming in its way. Like a brutal monster, wind is demolishing every man's work and is not sparing anyone or anything. Second question is, with what wind is compared in the first stanza? Answer: the wind is compared with a roaring, smashing monster because like a monster, wind is producing roaring sounds. It is destroying everything coming in its way and is unforgiving in its nature like a monster. Moving on to third question, which is, what is wind doing to all man's work? Answer: wind is demolishing all man's work. It is blowing with its full intensity and very cruelly bringing all man's work to ground. The wind is raking all man's work, which means it is bringing the work to ground level by destroying it. Next question, which is fourth question, how does the scene look like when wind is still? Answer: when the wind is still, the scene looks like that there is eternal stillness, there is eternal windlessness in the bright blue skies. The wind blows as a gentle breeze, and the sound being emitted when it's blowing softly feels like someone is whispering gently at a distance. Last question, which is fifth question, and it is, what comparison is made in the second stanza? Answer: in the second stanza, Poetess says the true nature of wind is not destructive, but is peace. Poetess says the wind's actual reality is blowing like a gentle breeze in the bright blue sky and emitting such sound while blowing, which would feel like a lover is whispering gently into the ears of his beloved.